Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail. Is it worth it? Why CallRail works for you. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. The CallRail platform builds on call tracking to provide an entire suite of integrated tools that makes marketing your business and turning leads into loyal customers a cinch. CallRail products tailored for you. Call tracking. Call tracking software attributes or matches incoming phone calls and text to your marketing channels and tactics. This helps you measure the success of advertising campaigns while fine-tuning marketing strategies. Conversation analytics. Form tracking connects all your phone and form leads, including call recordings and transcriptions. With their entire contact history right at your fingertips, when they're ready to talk, so are you. Conversion intelligence. With conversation intelligence, AI automatically collects and compiles all your call data. Then word clouds and bar graphs make trends and insights easy to see and understand. Lead center. Call, message, and manage all your contacts wherever work takes you. Keep up with all your communications when you're on a job or in an off-site meeting. When you collect all your contacts and conversations into a single, unified inbox, they're easier to manage and improve. CallRail doesn't just work with 700 marketing tools, it makes them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. CallRail goes great with everything: CRM, mobile optimizations, bid management, social media advertising, search advertising, and so much more. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.